Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe with the blessings of Allah. Saying welcome to all of you. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. This is your computer science class and your teacher Miss Nazia Waqas is here. Dear students, I am sharing with you final term syllabus outline. Unit number 6 formatting in Word 2013. Unit number 7 features of Word 2013. Unit 8, then Unit 9 and then Unit 10. And in this semester you have one project. You have to make a small presentation on any topic of your choice in PowerPoint. Hope it is clear to all of you. And we have done unit number 6. Hope all of you have done notebook work in your notebook and book work as well. Now we just start chapter number 7, Features of Word 2013. Okay students, so today we are going to start new chapter, chapter number 7, Features of Word 2013. Today our class objectives are recall the software MS Word, to understand the concept of bullets and numbering. Today we shall learn about bullets, numbering and symbols. Okay students, so let's recall spelling and grammar tool. You might have noticed that when you are typing some text in Word 2013, you get red or blue wavy lines, right? So today we just recall what is red wavy line and blue wavy line. A red wavy underline indicates a misspelled word. Any word that is not there in the word dictionary is marked as misspelled. And what is blue wavy line? A blue wavy line indicates grammatical mistake. Hope it is clear to all of you. Okay students, so what is the name of this window? The name of this window is Bulleted Library. What is the meaning of bullet? A bullet is a dot or a symbol that marks an important line of information. A bulleted list is usually used when the order of items in the list does not matter, means unordered. By default, Word uses a simple black dot as a bullet. Hope it is clear to you. And what is the name of this window? This window is called Numbering Library. What is it? Numbering Library. What is a numbering library and why we use it? A numbered list is used for listing when the order of items is important. For example, sequence of events or steps, etc. Okay students, so what is the name of this window? This window is called Symbol Dialog Box. And what are the symbols? Symbols are signs or special characters that can be inserted in a Word document. Symbols such as hearts, stars and arrows can be inserted and formatted in a document, just like regular text. But each font has a separate set of symbols. Okay students? Okay students, so this is the time to work in your notebook. Hope all of you have done question number A and B in your notebook. Today we start question number C. Which tab has the option to insert symbols in a document? What is the name of the tab? That is Insert tab. What is the name of the tab? Insert tab has the option to insert symbols in a document. Question number D. List the steps you will take to correct a misspelled word friend, which recurs throughout a passage written in MS Word. Do you think it is right to use spell checkers all the time? Have a spell checkers made us a bit lazy? Means grammar tool is doing work properly or not? The grammar tool is used to correct a misspelled word friend. For example, I have given here wrong spelling of friend. So we have to check in complete paragraph the word friend, how it will take out and it will give us a correct spelling of friends. Okay. So which recurs throughout a passage written in MS Word. It is not always correct to use spell checkers. Sometimes it will not show a correct word. So we can say in this case the spell checker may not pick the correct spelling. Clear? Okay, question number E. Is there an advantage in using a numbered list rather than bulleted list? Give reason for your response. Yes, there is an advantage to use a numbered list rather than bulleted list because it provides an excellent and organized way for a reader. So this is the advantage. And all the students complete this work in your notebook. Okay, question A to E. Complete it and afterward I will check. Okay students, hope you got it. Thank you so much students and Allah Hafiz.